n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. We also know that n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B when this intersection is going to be 0. Now what if you have intersection as 0? What are those called as? If A intersection B is equal to 0, if n of A intersection B is equal to 0, then we say A, B are disjoint sets. Now this kind of disjoint set, the word is very important in objectives. When you find the name disjoint, immediately you have it has to come to your mind that intersection is going to be 0. And then we have n of A union B union C is equal to n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus the intersection of two sets minus n of A intersection B minus n of A intersection C minus n of B intersection C but plus n of intersection of all the three. And then we have something called as difference. What is A minus B? A minus B is going to be the number of elements from only the set A and not from the set B. Now all of this, if you are done with the operations, that will be very clear. And so let us get into certain operations and then we will do A minus B, but still I will complete this. N of A minus B is going to be, n A minus B is going to be this, children. You have A and I want only A, I do not want B. So this is going to be n of A, this is A and this is B. N of A, I have to delete the B, so it will be n of A intersection B. I am taking the set A and I am going to delete all this intersection points.